Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, God, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. You know the thing goes, so welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know the thing goes, we ain't no faker. You know, so today we're here in Trenchtown and we're going to give out some donations. You know, so we have multiple donations to give out, you know, even to the kids them, you know, that always been around the program as well too. You know, so we're going to walk around and distribute some donations to some names that we got written out as well too. You know, so I hope you guys having a wonderful time anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. So thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. And remember, please don't forget to put the thumbs up when you're watching. Please remember to put the thumbs up. You know, the thing is love and love always. So blessed love. So first we have one for, you know, them say boom. Always there. Yes, boom always here next to me. So I got one for him first. You know, as well too. So we have boom here. You know, we have boom here right over there. And we have Esther right around the corner. You know, the thing so boom, so we have a donation for you. You know, from Lucky Star. So you're very lucky star.
Blessed one love.
So we have $4,000 here for you. From Lucky Star from New York.
Right. Lucky Star from New York. Blessed and one love. Thanks, yeah? Blessed one love.
Yes, so we give thanks to Lucky Star. So big up yourself, Lucky Star. We thank you. You know, we thank you, Lucky Star, for blessing boom. You know, and also a donation for colors. Thinking there, I'm gonna airport. So let me check and see if colors is inside as well, because I got one for him as well too. So you know I have to go really close. Colors! Colors!
Yo!
You hear me?
Hold up.
Colors want chocolate outside for you.
Who are the car?
I am Bridget, one chocolate outside for you.
Kina?
No! One chocolate outside for you.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
She said must call you.
Good man.
Eh? Tell her you're good. Alright, she said must get this. She said I must leave this with you then. So all you gotta do if you don't look?
I put in the earpiece.
Yeah, put in the FBI piece. Hey.
You know, I'm a chick man, but I tell you man, go on the key, man, put on it.
Put in the FBI piece. It's loud.
Yeah.
When you turn it down, I can hear the squeak from here.
You know Nika? You don't know Nika?
Turn it down now.
You know Nika though? Nika. Correct baby mother.
Yeah.
She said she watched the video where you give me. She that big you up today.
Okay.
Today.
You can turn it down, you know.
Or you can't. Yeah. Hold on.
That's why it has a squeak,
nice.
quite loud.
Yeah, cause me that use it today and the person tell me say loud man. It's still loud?
Yeah, it a squeak. Come here, what number that depend? Let me see what number this.
She tell me say she happy for me man. Say she da watch the video. Yeah, so she da watch the video. I know say you no keen on your chick man. Yeah, so what's popping now?
I'm here, man. I got a donation here for you.
Serious?
Yeah. I got a donation here for you.
Jaja.
So I'm here giving out some donation today. So your name is on the list.
Okay,
So there's a list, and your name is also on the list. So this is from Heather.
Oh, yeah, I know that
That
person.
name. She always been reaching out for you.
No, man.
So this is Heather from Connecticut.
Yeah.
So this is $9,000 here for you
Hello, Heather.
from Connecticut.
Jeez, Heather, thank you so much. Cause I did I did out, you know.
I know you're in.
I'm in. Yeah, Heather, thank you so much for reaching out to Colors. Honestly, I know I love Colors, you know. Yeah, you see, and my sister wanna know some I'm over at airport from. You see me, Kino?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, Heather, I thank you so much. Cause I did really frost.
Yeah.
Cause Kino, the TikTok them they come link me sat they gone. They may give me bring a bag of groceries for me, you know.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good.
5 pounds of rice, 5 pounds of oats,
Yeah.
canned beef, tin mackerel, sardine.
That's good, man. That's
Yeah,
good.
and the next 2 weeks, them are going to be here, cause them are going to come. The youth are big chef, you know. Him still cook food on a wharf, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so them are going the next 2 weeks, they're going to be here. Them are going to cook big something. Would I love you there as that day, you know.
Yeah.
Them are going to cook. Music I go play domino, and it make me know all them wife, you know. I was on the phone with her last night,
Yeah.
and she said when she touched down to Jamaica, Kino, she gonna be here.
Alright then.
Yeah, you see, so you see them people when me that tell about say that go help me and them jacket for me. Them can't stop me, Kino, come bless. Kino, we can't believe the people them so wicked. Me will ever big up people. The true them see me upon the live where them and the woman are talking, you know, Kino.
Yeah.
Them claim say me upon the live I bring them down.
Oh, yeah.
Jaja.
You know, pay that the mind, man.
I know I forgot about them, Kino. I tell you, say, I go up on one lady live and attack, Kino. The amount of people who are big, me say, oh no, go ahead. I don't know if colors are that. Kino, one man jumping at the box, you know. And I say, yo, colors, you know why I have to come up? And I tell the host, I say, colors is not like that.
Yeah.
You know, most time you hear colors are big up, Kino.
True.
You know, the man say, Kino, if me was a person like that, I say, come to the box, him would have bun me out, start bun me out.
Yeah.
So, Heather, I thank you so much because I did really the my face. Extended family, love you know.
Yeah.
You see me? And Kino, thanks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so, yeah, man, I whole little thing at the shop so I can pay and, you know, go get some, you see, Kino?
Yeah.
So, extended family, big up on yourself, man, you see?
Alright then. So
Yeah,
we'll give
Kino.
time. Alright, so, alright, guys, so that is Colors himself. So we'll give thanks, you know, thank you from Heather, you know, for blessing Colors as well too, for that blessing. As him say, he was out, now him in. He say he was frost, now him squash. Yeah, so he's good now. He's good. Alright, so we go circle see if it's a wow chef over there. Older than is. Thing is okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, respect. Yeah. Yeah, we don't come my pot on the fire. Yeah, from the one them.
Where?
The 2 old man them we sent to Joseph.
How so much old money you have?
You take nobody won't be good for them.
You have
I've never with my name.
you're older than is.
So now you take somebody who older.
So them get along, them no fight.
No, them not fight because I know how to control them. I'm my thing, you know. I'm going to thing, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to thing and set my thing. So I just control.
Wait, say one on the left, one on the left.
One on the left.
Wait, say one on the left.
No, one on the right first, then one on the left.
Yeah. Alright, Denise. Alright, Denise. Kindly handle your business. Cool now. Yo, cool now, Gia, cool now. $30,000. I'll go on. Thing of 130,000.
I wait in me car. Hey.
Oh, we check out Patrick down there as well too. Because Patrick said we always come at the right time, you know. But look at the sky. We're getting a lot of shower of blessings. Lock the panic yet. Oh, I'm inside. Patrick! Oh, this is like in the outside. But you sit like this, in the inside. Patrick! Oh, I'm not inside. I'm shooting him again. Oh, we have scanner. Apple.
Well, that's a Patrick.
Yeah. Apple.
Apple, look, mango.
Yeah, look, mango. Apple, yeah, look, man. Go. Where you look? Tell me, come here now, where you look? If you don't video, you don't give nothing then. My bucket too. You don't think you want a husband? You see, you look at. Say something now, say something. You should see yourself. You should say something. Say something. Anything you want to say something.
What help me? Anybody want to help me?
Alright then. If somebody send something for you, come here. See, you get something here now. Yeah. So now you can't complain. And you're very lucky. Got the person named Lucky Star. So here's $4,000 for you. From Lucky Star.
Alright, thanks Lucky Star. What you get?
No, for free, give me back. You know what she asked me if I chew and she said she get the money. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! I lie. She don't want Mr. Patrick?
Patrick, I'm not see him.
I'm around there. I'm here mango. Think I'm here mango. What's that, Mr. Scanner? Go on, Scanner. So Candy, so you see you're lucky there today, Lucky Star sent something for you. Yeah. Yeah. Could say the Patrick on the front first. Aye. I know that usually made it out here as well. So yes guys, say oh that this guy is the richest guy. One Ellis. Yeah, and a mountain. Check. You know, check, you know. Esther, check it for me now. In a bounce. Checkmate.
No,
what?
Straight to your bank account. This is not.
You see what I got now?
This goes straight to your bank account. Straight to your bank account. You have some white money.
So you mean I said, oh yeah, hold on for it.
Yeah, because we never let it go. We go for the bank.
Yeah. Not usually me out here, so. Mass?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm the boat, man. Oh, Patrick! Oh, go on. You know, so you're about because I realize that the gate not have no lock. You know?
You have to become sit up. Two light gone. You know the house.
Light gone?
Yeah.
Tell me your music about the place.
You me the transformer buff. You some private transformer.
When that happened?
So me up there, sir. The
Okay.
fly off and me hear it.
Oh.
And me hear it because a bow and bust like gunshot.
Okay.
And but in the house hot. And me say me can't mother come watch the TV. In the house hot.
Yeah,
And the light in the house. So
Yeah.
I come here so to come
Cool
cool
out.
Yeah, my brother.
So is everything good otherwise?
I have to give God thanks and praise. I have to give God thanks and praise.
Only for the right time, you see.
True?
I wonder.
My God. Sir.
At the right, at the right time, you see.
Yes, my brother. Yes.
It's never the wrong time, though.
No, you always come the right time when you need. Thank God.
I will give thanks, right?
Yes. Never give thanks to the with the extended family.
Yeah. We give thanks to the extended family.
Yeah, my brother.
So we have something here for you, Patrick.
True?
Yeah. So today we're just walking around giving out some donation and your name is on the list.
Yeah. Extended family. Yeah. Give God thanks and praise. God bless them.
Every time. So here right now. So we have a donation here for you from Unknown. No. It's Anonymous Esther. Anonymous, let me tell you. Yeah. So it's from Anonymous from upstate New York.
Anonymous. I don't know. The name that's strange to me, but I have to give God thanks and praise. Same way.
Oh, that name that the person who want them original name to be called, so them give a alias.
No problem. To give thank you very, very much.
Yeah.
With them name?
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
They want to remain anonymous, unknown. They don't want any name to call.
Thank you very, 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 very much. You see? I can't pronounce the word so good because it kind of change my voice.
Yeah.
And I not talk straight as I used to talk, you know?
Yeah.
So I give God thanks and praise, same way, you know, Anonymous.
Yeah.
God bless you. And may God forgive and protect you and grant you paradise and make you successful in your work where you do all your business, you know. And bless you and your family them. And make life easy for you and your family them. God bless you.
Yeah, so this is $15,000 here.
Yeah?
Yeah, 15,000 here from Anonymous from upstate New York.
And then Anonymous, thank you very, very, very much.
So count it. So it's 15.
Very, very much. Anonymous. Give God thanks and praise. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you very, very much. So I know because somebody to come chop out the yard for me.
Yeah.
I have the money. I may use the money.
Yeah.
One brother tell me, say, anytime I have the money, I call him. So I come and get money now.
Yeah.
I call him a man to come chop out the yard for me. Because I can't and do it again. I can't chop it out again. I used to weed it out. I would try to weed it out. I did weed.
Yeah. So I feel let's be careful.
I'm 67 now. I get back to all man now. None must give God the thanks and praise. Thank you very much. And God bless Dream Team. And God bless Kino. We can't come to them. God bless the Kino. Yeah, every time. God bless.
Alright, so we give thanks to Anonymous from upstate New York. You know, we thank you so much for blessing Patrick. You know, so God bless you. Some guys, so we're on the journey here today. In Trenchtown giving us some donations. So that's our mission for today. So Patrick, go out with it easy, okay?
You Tina.
Oh,
What's the dread?
scanner?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't never seen now.
Never seen no.
Yeah,
Alright.
Alright.
Let's get your number.
Okay.
Let's go for them. That's your number.
Alright, then I ain't never seen now.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna find you. A lot of traffic here in Trenchtown. A lot of traffic here in Trenchtown. Puncher. Yo. That's how you find mango.
But you understand? I think you're
Chunks are one they look green, man.
Third.
Hey. Chunks are pick the green mango. You want some salt with that one, the chunks? Scan. Scanner, you're peeking. I can see your head peeking through the window. And I know Scanner is looking outside.
Keep it real.
And I see the smile on Scanner face today. Because you know I bring some money for him. Jeez! And when Scanner see Kino, him face get light up. Because you know the money come, him a go say thank you from Heather, from Connecticut. She send money.
Okay, lyrical.
Lyrical, oh?
Yeah, man.
Lyrical inclined.
Right.
Alright then. So yeah, are you gonna come checking on Scanner? You hear the voice and you see the face and you know the time. So we're there at the place.
Yeah.
I want me a rhyme so today.
Kaya lyrical.
I told me say chunks I eat the green mango. It always remind me like lime. Yeah, nudge my teeth.
Don't forget me that.
Oh, you have salt for him. Oh, that one the ripe.
Yeah.
Scanner have ripe mango. Scanner, I know you can't climb tree, you know, so you get them one, you pick them up.
Alright, I drop mango.
You drop them.
Them star.
One of them star.
When I drop mango,
And them drop and them beat up.
them are beat up.
And my teeth don't murder them harder.
Your teeth.
Yeah.
Oh.
Beat them up more
Alright,
hard.
here.
Yeah.
We make smoothie too, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Truly? Yeah.
Boss, I go on with things,
I'm gonna rust my coolie. I mean, Scanner.
I know, what we use blend them?
Babies.
Man.
You squeeze them up.
Yeah.
Massage them.
Yeah.
Massage them
Deal with them
smoothly.
right. Yeah, name smoothie.
Say yes, massage smoothly.
We put
Good.
we put last cup.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, flavor it up.
It'll keep you up, so Scanner. It'll keep you up, you know.
And you know, say, sick as me there and me all people want me to. Yeah, people want me. Yeah.
People want you?
Yeah.
You mean woman?
Yeah.
Oh, the ladies them want you.
Yeah. And them take me when I'm ready.
What? Strong them way there.
Yeah.
I mean, Scanner, what them feel like. Alright, so Scanner have a donation here for you.
Dynamite, I'm gone.
Heather, you say, Heather.
Have him gone?
Yes, from Heather. Yeah, man, Heather.
Heather, the cut.
Yeah. See, yeah, listen to the lyrics, man. Yeah,
But
listen.
if you come around me have to get brilliant, you know. Me have to get brilliant because you don't talk stupid around me.
Okay. So it's all connect, right?
Yeah.
Alright, connect. So here was, so we have $9,000 here for you.
Yeah.
From Heather, from Connecticut.
And this really come like a 90,000 for thanks, Heather.
Yes, it's come like that 90,000, you get like a, yeah, man. So that's all I said, just thank Heather.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, talk to her more, man.
Extensive. We know how the big word of it talk. Extensive family.
Extended.
I'm gonna make a family today in a name, you know. Extension family.
Yeah.
I said to myself, so I wonder if that sounds appropriate, you know, myself. I have to speak properly, you know, and get in and with notice.
Yeah.
I know the words, I know how to let go them to people. People don't want no stupid argument, you know. Yeah. I know some people come and so and say food pan and so and I feel up the bag and I'm going to the bank.
Alright.
So it's for them access to come and do it.
Yeah.
They will come in and take up.
Exactly.
Me old and sick, me can't come down the body for me things.
So you have to stick it to your put it in your waistline.
No, guess man, the waistline have a certain motion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright then, so big up yourself, yeah?
And birthday come on, take time and all to
The earth strong.
yeah. About in them June business.
Yeah, June.
Yeah.
Happy
15 in the year 15. That year there. You can start the old man strong enough.
Okay.
And give him more strength.
Yeah.
And I give the item more life and
more
protection.
Every time.
Yeah.
Give thanks. Alright then, give thanks, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Can you like gone?
Like gone too.
Yeah, I'm done the mic like
Them
that.
sound transfer burst.
Yeah.
How boom gone?
You know, you know, so I'm going to check my heart. If my heart
Oh.
Why?
Who wants to have Kelsey in there next to the girl, eh?
But me not see him.
No.
Oh. Oh. Alright, so thank you so much, Heather, you know, for blessing Scanner and also Colors as well too. You know, so now we're on the journey. You know, so we have another donation as well too, also for the kids them, and then we can give a little to, you know, some other kids from Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy from the UK as well too, you know. So big them up, so we'll walk now. So you know, one of the little girls them that always sometimes like, you know, she live on this street. So I'm gonna see if she's here so we can go over there. Yeah. Yeah. Kelsey! What? What? Hey, mommy there. She in there? I go borrow. Can I bring me? I go link up with classic them. Can I give them some donation? Yeah? Right there? Alright then. So we'll pick up. Close the gate for me, please. So we'll pick up Kelsey here. So we're gonna meet up with the rest of them. We have classic. We have more chairs. No, because they're gonna funeral. Yeah. One jerk. Bagger, one jerk. One jerk. City, one jerk. Bagger with a jerk chicken back.
Bagger 3 mighty mall, farm your nerves,
So-
550.
Oh, you know, I have a chef.
150.
Oh, chef for the jerk specialist, you know. No, we gotta do the outer view. You want to be in it? You know, the voice already project.
Oh my God.
Yes. So if you let them go find about your voice. Who know you about your voice?
Could you support my business, please?
You giving away?
No, I'm selling. 390 more, farm your nerves, 550.
You know, my nerves calm right now. I want my nerves.
150 and 2 bills, check your date, because we don't sell booming tin.
You buying chicken back? Whoa!
How much festival is there? 7?
7? Oh, yeah, it's too much festival, miss.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, it's too much festival.
Bagger, you want anything?
Hold on, let me
7.
6 again. 1 4
Ah,
in a
but
one
you
and 2 in a one.
Oh, so you want 7, you want 4 now? 6 of them. 4 in a 1 and 2 in a 1.
I'm one bag.
In a one bag?
They get everything. People, how much I want? 8? People, how much I want? 8?
Like I get one out.
Come on, you not get seen. Just like they must see the chicken, but they don't know who eat it. They only hear the voice.
You better go up on camera.
Yeah.
Somebody have video. Because your man now carry what turn of man boy and the man now carry no because I'm young. Young and a man not carrying on.
That's a one bagger.
Yeah, I'm going to pay man 3 grand to give them keep on them neck.
Lord. That's a go on. That's a go on, pan. What a go on? That's a go on, Patrol? Let me help you.
Yeah. Leg and tie, first time.
Hey, when I want to drop out the dumpling and I forgot to buy extra. Burger with this chicken back specialist. This chicken back come like me eating jerk chicken. True? Talk it true. Done burger if you want done him.
You're bright.
Oh, the chicken back.
You're bony back.
I love it so. That's how much I buy.
Yeah. Hey, burger, she love it so much.
And she are going, she put on a bumper.
Yeah.
And the man is going to look for her.
Where the burger you turn grand?
Yeah.
You turn grand, man.
No, I won't eat that. That's 5 minutes.
Esther buy a jerk back, you know, on the festival.
So I get nothing.
Yeah, man, I get everything.
Everything.
Get your money's worth, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See you there,
So you know when she go, she have to come back.
Don't go.
Alright, bagger. Yeah.
Bagger, your granddaughter?
Yeah, bagger get grand.
You want me to get 2
Eh?
pills? You want me to chicken back?
See there? Let me see it. Yeah, man. I eat. Oh, that? What the screw bastard? Yeah. Stop screw. What the face there? You still make that face there? Come closer. So guys, so this is called Collis Smith Drive. Where the goalie there? They up on the goalie side. So guys, I'm literally giving you a tour today in Trenchtown. You know, walking, giving out donation. So me see the rest of the kids them. Where's Cheers and Classic and the rest of them? Esther, see your friend, yeah? Hungry evening. Hello. Hey. Everyone is here. Hello. You said, when you said Dream Team. Say Dream Team, one team. Oh. Hey. The Catalina just saw me. Me and my kids are here. The rest of them, everybody there. Everybody there.
Look what guys say. They say if you go for Canberra, she says she walk home.
General Koda. I want to come. They have something for you. Come.
Yeah.
Come. Today is food day. Today Christmas come. Today Christmas come. One bread. Hello.
Okay, go ahead, good evening.
Are you little boy there as well too? Where's the little boy?
Which little boy? Your nephew, Tristan.
Tristan?
Tristan. Tristan over here.
Esther.
I want him just to
Wait. Okay, Mika is here. One is here. There's a little boy missing, right? Eh? Tristan.
Come back at the door. Stay at the door. In a program.
Them gonna call him.
What's my baby? Oh, yeah, baby. I run away.
You be a call, I want you to
You want nobody soon I get in the richness, you know. Eh?
What's when I get the riches? And what are the black and night?
Yeah.
The black and night.
Eh?
Come here, me and go somewhere.
I'm done. Yeah. Where are you playing, look boy? Oh, see him here, he's here. When you come out of the road, come out of the road. Come, hold on, baby there. I wish I would have gone.
Come here. Okay,
Oh, come out of the road. Come go in this one. Go in this one. Go another passage. Come. Come.
Be a good self.
I said. Yeah. You want the baby run with that's why. Let them in. I work with girl, make she come too. I want their music. Alright. So tell them your name. Grapey.
Classic. Mika. Cheers. Kelsey.
Catalia.
Tristan.
What's your name? Zendaya. Skyler. Alright, so I got donation I'm going to share phone from Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy. Okay? So I'm going to say thank you Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Thank you Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Alright. So, but cool now. So we have classic. Where's classic? Here's classic. It's 5,000 for you. So count it says 5. 5, right? Come, we have chairs. 5,000 here.
Thank you.
So thank you Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Thank you.
Uncle Jason.
Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Mika. So thank you Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy. That's 5,000 there.
Thank you Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Alright. Catalia.
Thank you Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Okay. Mika. Oh, sorry. Kelsey.
Thank you Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Alright. So that. Come Tristan. So thank you Uncle Jason.
Thank you Uncle Jason
and Auntie Stacy.
Auntie Stacy.
Alright. You too.
Thank you.
So thank you Uncle Jason.
Thank you Uncle Stacy.
Auntie Stacy. Alright. You come. Let's come. Eh? No, I try what them said for. Hey, give where name back? Christy. Eh? What time? Oh. Hey. Oh, but the baby is there, you know, so don't worry. Hey, baby, hey.
Thank you.
Oh, Mika, come here, Mika and Classic.
Thank you.
Mika. So this from Mika and Classic. 1,000 each from Lucky Star. Doing the rich, you know? Doing the rich. So here, Mika. So thank you, Lucky Star.
Thank you, Lucky Star.
From New York.
From New York.
And Classic. Yes. So thank you, Lucky Star.
Thank you, Lucky Star.
From New York.
From New York.
Alright, so. Alright, so that is it, right? So let's say one more time, say thank you, Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy. Go on.
Thank you, Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy.
Alright. Alright then, so what are you gonna do with the money? Where are you do with the money? Like I save it, what are you gonna do with yours?
I save it and go Lucky Crab.
Yeah, got Lucky Crab. What are you gonna do with yours?
Buy something that
Come, Mika, what are you gonna do with yours?
It's in my bank account.
Oh. Come, Classic, what are you gonna do with yours?
Yeah, I'm going to keep it for me.
Oh, Kelsey.
Put it on my face.
Oh, Tristan, what are you gonna do with yours? You don't know? That's sure. That's sure. Alright then. And take care, okay?
Yeah.
So now you walk now, alright?
Yes.
Alright.
You
Yeah,
can't come with us.
you can come. Boy, I tell you, I'm for my case already. But whenever I have the time.
Yeah.
Because through most time I go up there with some of them and them, so.
I can't have video there. Last time I saw your video, me and the man. You never know me and talk about it.
I cut it in, I cut it out.
They gave me a video over the time and then I'm breaking them attack and they come with a food.
Yeah. Bye, this is again. Yo, I go on.
Please and thank you. You cannot get or you can get the
elders.
old age.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
One grand.
Can't make your support. Yeah, just work some
Oh, yeah, sir.
Victoria's Secret Center.
Oh, Victoria, I have no secret for nobody. Oh, waist trainer? Yeah, man, them ladies even tuck in them belly. I go see how can tuck in them belly. See her there? Waist trainer right away. Tuck in your belly. I beg you, tuck in your belly. Put it on our waist, please. Put it on our waist. Try and buy. Try and buy. Try and buy. If it come earlier.
Victoria's Secret.
Yes. Are you that, man? Are you that? Are you that? Come. So we bring the seal in. Yeah, man, I can go up on the next level if you want to go up on the next level.
That alright?
Can go up on the next level, man. Squeeze it right in.
Okay. That means that's all over on the side.
So this can come over that side. That loose, man. It come over here.
Oh, loose.
Yeah.
And then she go for the left and then she don't have
Yeah, man, she will breathe, man. It's alright.
That's alright. The belly one go in, man.
Can go in more in if you want, you know. Just squeeze till I can't breathe too much.
Just get it.
How much for this? Who's that? I went in the panic.
So guys, so you know it goes already, so boy. So Jason, you know, Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy, you know the kids them they get them know. So we couldn't leave them out, so we make everyone get something, you know. So thank you for blessing the kids them, you know. So trust me, a lot of more kids are gonna see this thing here and know, so they wanna be a part of it, you know, because you know they can't miss out. And then good thing there. So we are going on the 3rd, so we have a donation for our chef as well too. Boss, can't force. One tall pay.
Genius. Up there.
You know it goes already. Yeah, you walk out in the street. Barn the buff. Wow! Come through wow, Chef. She have wow, Chef. Come in wow. So the kids them get now, the adults that will get something now. Like all that, wow, like all that means there.
You said dog was here, that's it. And the other one, you know, go the other one, and two of them, you know. Dog.
Yes, cause trust me boy, the kids them come out. You could get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 alone. Everybody have to get something a while ago.
Run out.
Yeah, I'm run out. So they up on the block. Wow, Chef. Come in, wow. Like the music that tingling down here, so. Wow, so you know we got 2 donations here, you know, to help out towards the mom funeral. You know. Everything good though.
Yeah, man, everything go fun, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Try, you know. Everything go fun, man. I'm gonna try. Put it one side for the time the time come. I say, yeah, give my sister for deal with it.
Yeah.
Reach.
And the date, and you say the date already set.
Yeah, man, June 15.
June 15.
Yeah.
Oh, we just enter May.
Yeah, we just enter May.
That's about another month. Yeah, so a month and other way, right?
Yeah, man, so.
Alright, so here now, so we have a donation here from Unknown, you know, towards the mom funeral from the USA. Yeah, so this is 19,500 here from Unknown.
Unknown. Unknown. Thank you very much, you know, enough respect and welcome blessing, you know. I have them one side put on, you know, because I wait till the right time come. Yeah, I can go to my sister and give her it and say, yeah, put that on the thing, you know.
Yeah.
So I say, Unknown, big up yourself, you know, welcome blessing, enough love, you know.
Yes, yeah.
Holy love, you know, enough blessing, Unknown. Too hard, them, you know. Thank you very much, you know.
Alright, so we give thanks to Unknown. So we have also another donation here from Barbara. From your place.
Yeah, New York City.
Yes.
Twice,
you know, if I want to say New York or your place, that.
Awesome, man.
No joke. So we have 22,500 here, you know, from Barbara from New York.
Barbara from New York. Barbara from New York. Holy blessing. Thank you very much, you know. You see me? Blessed love in Barbara. I mean, I do it. I put them together. Reach a certain time, certain limit. Can do so come to my sister and say, yeah man, see that.
Yeah.
So them can't say, oh chef, not do nothing. You see? Yeah. So they're upon the ground, man, blessed love, you know.
Yeah.
Holy blessed, enough love, you know. One team, you know, dream team, you know. Man, thank you very much, man.
Yeah man. So we give thanks to Unknown and
Unknown
Barbara.
and Barbara. Enough love, you know, Unknown and Barbara.
Yeah man, so we thank her so much.
Yes,
you know, so.
Yeah, man. Unknown and Barbara, thank you very much, you know.
Yeah.
Holy bless them. Enough love, you know. Yeah, man, every time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we give thanks, you know, for, you know, so that is for old chef, you know, because I don't know, his mom passed away, so that is towards, you know, for the funeral, you know, because it's getting close, you know, so, you know, it goes over. We give thanks to our extended family, you know, for reaching out and blessing us, you know, the whole chef, and, you know, each and every one that you guys always help out here in the community of Trenchtown. We thank you so much, you know, so big up yourself, Uncle Jason and Auntie Stacy for blessing the kids them. Trust me, they was happy, you know. Imagine the first time they getting something like that for themselves in them, and just imagine how excited them is, you know. They're so excited, you know, like the feel of that, you know. So we only can encourage them, you know, to continue to be good. You know, and if they wasn't around walking up and down, helping out while I'm walking, who knows, then probably would have meet up to get that donation, you know, so we give thanks for that every time, you know, every time. So dream team, one team. Hey, hold him. Hold him. Come here. Oh yeah, boy. There on the video. Oh yeah, boy.
See there,
Eden.
Eden.
Hey,
Grandson.
Eden, are you this?
Our great grandson.
Are you?
They are animal watch.
Oh. Are you that? Who this?
The nephew.
The nephew?
Yeah.
A Rosie one? Rosie. Rosie. Joan. Yeah.
On the wrong ears.
Are the wrong ears? Joan, are you hearing me?
No better follow them, you know. Hey, Joan. Which ears are your Which ears are right ears, Joan? The 2 ears I'm right ear.
Yeah. One on the right.
Verna! My good friend Verna!
Yeah, oh, she called Verna. No, that's Verna. They're right there. Joan. Which ears is short, you know, which ears are your
This.
I mean, at the right ears.
Oh, come in the right ears.
Yeah, Verna asked her
Come on,
what.
sir.
Should I get a car, Verna? Talk to her for that one. I didn't have problem.
Yeah, we don't mess it about. This is Joan, you know, original, you know, the place from 19 how long, you know, from Wapia. Alright, today I shot.
Baby till now.
Yeah, from we call it Stone Love, Jamrock, Squash,
everything.
Swash, you know, Gemini, all the sort of name. In your days.
The amount of sound where they have never remember them.
The amount of sound I used to be here. And Rose, the shy one, always a pick the mango.
Yeah.
You know. and the older Denise over there. Baby Jack. Alright guys, anything there. So we are going to make things right. So yeah, so we're gonna head out, you know, so I was gonna go up by Cranberry then, but it's so many rain up them sides. There's no rain here in Trenchtown, but there's so many rain on the other side. So I guess we have to just call it another day, you know. Cannot make it up there today, you know, but we definitely make it another day, but not today. Not today, you understand? You know, so you know the thing about already. So guys, so big up for yourself, you know, thank you so much, you know, for the blessings, for helping out each and everyone here in Trenchtown. You know, and you know the love continue, the journey continues. So dream team, one team. You know, it's the only real team. That's it. Guys, well. So you know, tonight, you know, is night market. It's a night market yearly event. You know, I usually come up here like, you know, but every year, you know, they got an annual yearly event. So tonight is the yearly event. So it's not at the usual spot. It's at the Ronnie Williams Park. You know, that's where it is. And trust me, this car park, as you can see, I'm literally in the car park, and the car park is full, and it's both side car park. Alright, it's the both side. So I guess it's a yearly thing, but this is my first year attending it. You know, so we're not at the usual spot. So I guess here them have drummings, you know, like it's like a festival for the night market. So this is the festival night. Right, so I'm gonna take you guys along to see what's it like, you know, because you know, yeah, the herbal man is here as well too, you know. But trust me, this car park is full. Like, look at the place. Just look at the place. Cars keep on coming in. Cars keep on coming in and in and in. Look, cars coming in. Car park full both side, and that side and this side, you know. So I really want to see what If you look over there, that car park over there is full, so they have to direct everyone onto the field now. You know. It's just a huge night tonight. Wow. So you can hear drums and everything taking place. Even this park over here, look at cars. There's so many people here. This is like not a regular night market night, you know, that we usually go. But this one is a jam-packed thing. So I'm so excited to see what it is really like. It is just the same as it was, but obviously, you know, they're gonna have some extra ingredients, you know, unusual things tonight. Wow. They have all big Juta tourist buses here also. So I guess everything starts from out here.
She made an enemy of so many people, I'm not gonna lie. So you want to talk to tomorrow? Yeah. Is she okay?
I'm not even gonna call it, yeah, I'm just gonna find it. Oh look, I found them straight away. They're right at the entrance. So it wasn't hard to find.
Watch here, I'm right for the front door going.
Right at the front.
You're not sure what you got?
Where's Yaya?
He's at the van. I'll tell you where to look. Go out here. You're going to see I Nation van. It's a bus with the book and the anchor out there. When you go out here, and you go, it's in the parking lot. Look for the bus. There's a grey van, a grey convertible beside it.
Yeah.
Out there. Just turn to the left and you see him.
Turn to the right.
Yeah, right, and you'll see him. But he's in the parking lot.
Oh.
About 2 vehicles away from the street.
Okay.
Yeah. So it doesn't fully lock it up and make it. It's not like burns your
Alright guys, really a big night tonight. Front there. Hello. Alright. It's a really big night tonight, guys. Wow. Impressive.
We'll get you double nice looking here, man.
You okay?
Yeah.
What you have here?
Bags.
Oh, you got bags. My name's Kino. Yeah. Thank you so much. It's called Kino Life in Jamaica. She always watch me. You related? Lie. Lie. You look like you're having one big son. I don't believe you though. What you have here? What's that? Beads you're making?
Yeah, I'm making some more beads. But these are some vegan leather bags here. Some nice cultural Bob Marley pizza touch pieces.
Okay. What is made from?
They're made from
Natural wood, right? Bob Marley, Trenchtown Rock. Don't watch that. Yeah, I saw the man Marcus himself. Nice years, nice. Big event. But don't tell anyone say you got big daughter like that, okay? They won't believe you. Just, she don't look it. But it's good though, it's good. It's good. That means you're living righteous. Yes. But what's on the inside is show on the outside. Righteous. You got a good mom. Thank you so much. Now go and walk, yeah? Alright. Ah, go on. Clean up. Empress. Nice. Yeah. The Empress around about the station, yeah?
So you know, so why you not get your invite to the restaurant to come back?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
From just me. So it's not a high thing, but good. So the coffee say, but not the type of containers.
This candle smell nice.
What is this cookie?
But I spent 2 years, yeah, 2 years.
So can I fill it again with that?
Not yet. I'm working on that. That's another step. But if you stay tuned with my Instagram,
we will. Yeah.
So if you buy a container, if you purchase a candle, when you finish with it, you pour hot water and clean it out. I'm trying to get it to the refills. When I start refilling, I'm trying to purchase maybe 2. Yeah, maybe 2. You can keep them because no 2 jars are the same. They're hand painted. So it's like no, I love how it
because they're combining the 2 elements, but because they're both separate.
Yeah, I'll send it to her. Because I love them.
Alright, so let's see what's going on for the pumpkin.
Tonight is very exciting, Manala. There's a lot of things taking place. If I cover everything, trust me, I won't have enough to teach. There's so much things going on. Oh, we have Grabber Belch is here as usual. Grabber Belch. Sun's Cafe. So much. Hello.
You're good?
Good?
Yeah, man.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yo, kid, what are you doing? Think this?
Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah, man.
Cool.
Alright, we're good.
Doubles. Is there a line for doubles?
Yeah.
Really? Is this the line?
Yeah.
Oh my days. Line up, you know. Doubles. You think I'm gonna finish the doubles? at this line for the doubles.
Sea moss. Your favorite.
Look at the line for the doubles. Oh Lord. Really big night tonight, boy.
That young girl in the place.
And then you can buy the size system. What size you want?
Alright guys, I'm looking for Sun's Cafe where I usually get my food, but I don't see him. So I guess I have to walk around a bit more, see if I see him. But I'm gonna get some doubles. The doubles lines are a bit long, but I don't mind. I'll get some doubles over sure. So I'll get doubles now for my starter, and then I'll go look for and see where Sun's Cafe is. I don't know where it is. It's like he's missing.
Chicken meal. Thank you.
So I couldn't have one if I'm waiting.
What sauce do you like on it?
Yeah, it's not behind me.
So guys, so I got my doubles, I got two. So I can't have one, I'm having two.
Everything on menu, extra pepper.
What kind? Regular? 3 regular?
Alright guys, we find Sun's Cafe.
Flavored peanuts and flavored peanut butter.
Flavored peanuts.
I have coffee, scotch bonnet, lime, and black coffee flavored peanut. For the peanut butter, scotch bonnet, coffee, and lime.
These are non-dairy?
Yeah.
Flavored peanut. First I've heard about the flavored peanut. What's this?
Gentile brand.
Gentile's brand.
Yeah, the brand is Flavors of Jamaica.
Okay. Interesting. Where located?
So I'm in St. Catherine.
Yeah.
But in terms of getting the products, you can get it at Carby's, you can get it at Things Jamaica.
Okay. Carby's up by in Arbitrary, Canada Spring Road, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You hear that, guys? You can get this at Carby's.
All Things Jamaican store.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gift them.
I want to look like when I'm friends. Huh? Y'all look like y'all not friends. Beautiful now.
Guys, the fine Sun's Cafe. So I just had my doubles. Still I wanna have something more. Let me see what I go on the other side. So let me go walk and come back. Like how it's busy. Hello.
So you have a website?
Guys, look at this stage.
I actually don't know if you could recognize me. Can we take another one? Sure. No, with you. Oh, sure.
Yeah, man. Go put this up.
That was going to make the taste of it.
Okay. That's your charge.
No rice, yeah, no rice.
Yes, Amela, you want one more? Yeah, sorry, I want the two with ginger. That one finished.
I eat that.
I'll take the apple.
Tofu.
Yeah.
Some tofu.
Buy one peanut and milk.
Mushroom.
Yeah.
And some mushroom. Tofu. Yeah, I eat that.
The pasta.
That is yeah. You're not doing that, right?
No. Yeah, the chickpea then.
Eh?
Yeah, the chickpea and lentil.
Yeah.
No, I was thirsty.
Guys, I think I'm gonna eat that off tonight because I already have 2 doubles. So 2 doubles do already wonders. I always have some. I'll take on the rest.
Bless him, my brother. Any flavored feeling? Scotch bonnet, coffee, lime, black coffee, cinnamon peanuts. Coffee, Scotch bonnet, black coffee, and $200.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.